beautiful people, welcome to Anivetti's Kitchen, the channel that helps you take total control of your health while serving you juicy, sassy things. Today's menu is chicken bacon salad. Join me as we put this yummy goodness on your table. And this is a whole meal. Let's do it, people. I've got 2 large chicken breast fillets, which I'm going to dice, cutting it into bite sizes. Then we stir fry, we pan fry it. I've got avocado oil. This oil is beautiful. I'll put a link on the best oils to use and I'll cover up to what type of oil you should buy, how you should buy your oil. So this is 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. In goes our chicken, and I've got about 10 grams of diced ginger, and I've got thyme brings out the flavor of chicken, and 3 cloves of garlic, all diced. I'll put the links of how to dice your garlic and ginger and preserve it. 1 tablespoon of Anivetti's all-purpose seasoning. Use your regular all-purpose seasoning, but I'll show you how to do this seasoning. It's just amazing, beautiful. So we leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes because of how small it's been cut. About a teaspoon salt. This is your regular sea salt. I like my Himalayan salt, and black pepper. This is mixed peppers. And if you love chili, at this point you can add a bit of diced chili to it. It's done. So it's been on for about 6 minutes now. It's done, it's ready. So I'm going to put it there for it to cool down whilst we work on the other bit. Now we are going to build a salad. So I've got 1 whole bulb of romaine lettuce, which I've washed and I pat dry with kitchen towel so that all the water is drained. And now we are going to cut it up. So just rough chops, but beautiful. I'm going to build a bed so that all the other bits go on it. And we are going to toast our pecans. So I've got untoasted pecan nuts, about 150 grams or 1 cup. I'm going to toast it for a bit till it becomes golden. I've been toasting it for about, I'll say, 3 to 4 minutes, and it's done. I'll just leave it to cool down a bit, and let's build our salad. I've got wild rocket, and if you've watched the video, or if you haven't, I'll put the link in on the health benefits of rocket salad. They are called bitter salads and they aid in digestion. So it's optional though, you can leave the rocket out. And it's called arugula in the United States. So rocket is the same as arugula. And let's chop our pears. 1 medium, 1 large pear. You can use 2 medium, I would say. So I'm going to core it and chop it up. So to core it, you just take the middle side out, like that, and just chop it up. And it adds a whole lot of flavor. Add it and see, trust me, you will love it. So far, anyone who has tried it has attested that it's good. That's why I'm bringing this recipe to you. So don't omit it, you just try. I've got about 200 grams of feta cheese. This is Greek feta. I love the Greek feta. Or any cheese you prefer. I love feta cheese. I'm just going to cut them up. I love my cheese. You can use the quantity you prefer, but I love my cheese. I'm adding a bit of mozzarella, but this is very optional. You've got 1 cup of dried cranberries and raisins. You can omit this if you are pre-diabetic or diabetic. But if not, and you are healthy and not watching your sugar, then it's fine with the raisins. And so we are building our salad. I feel when you arrange it like this, it makes it beautiful on the bed of lettuce. And that's the chicken. So if you're vegan, then you can omit this. You can omit this and use the vegan cheese. And it goes up. I feel when you arrange it this way, it makes it really yummy. It looks good. Food should be presentable. It brings the yumminess out. And goes our nuts. People, if you feed your body this goodness, it will really appreciate you. It will do. So if you are having a picnic, going over to your friends, you can make the salad and do thank you. So I'm going to take it out. Oh, sorry. And if you are taking it over for a picnic, don't add the vinaigrette to it. You can add it when it's ready. Only add it when it's ready to be eaten. And it has so much chicken. It makes it juicy with the crunchiness of the pecan, the tangy taste of the cheese. Oh, it makes it so beautiful. And I'll put the link for the vinaigrette recipe in the description box. And let's get up this goodness. That looks good, people. I'm going to make sure it's that good. I need to give you my verdict here. Okay. So let me give you my verdict. So we've got the pecan. And trust me, the pears add a whole lot of. Let me get every bit of what we have here. People, you need to try this. If you like what you've seen so far, give me some thumbs up, like, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, hit on the notification button so you know first time whenever a new video is uploaded. And thank you to all our returning viewers. Thank you so much. Now I need to finish my salad. I'll catch you later next week.